How to turn off search history on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnal, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off search history in YouTube. First things first, you want to open up YouTube and then you want to tap on the profile icon there. Let it open up and you can see profile icon at the bottom right, and then you want to tap on settings, but you can see at the top right corner settings. Then you want to head into manage history option, and now you want to select your account that you wish to turn off your search history for. Once you open up, you shall get an interface somewhat like this. Let it load up for here, and now you can see saving your YouTube history. It's on, so you want to tap on that particular option that you can see there, and now you can see turn off option. But before turning it off, you can see here include the YouTube videos that you watched and include your searches on YouTube. You want to make sure that it's check marked there, that it's included, and then tap on turn off, and then simply tap on pause. So this way you can turn off search history on YouTube. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.